Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Biology. The topic is about heredity and evolution. So the topic is about Mendel's third law, law of independent assortment, law of independent assortment. So what is law of dominance is, one allele is dominant over another allele, it is called law of dominance. The separation of alleles during gamete formation is called law of segregation. To understand law of independent assortment, we have to take one more character. For example, to understand law of dominance and law of segregation, we can explain through single character like seed color. Now extra we have to take seed shape also. For example, this is a seed which is pure round and yellow. This is the seed this is the plant which is producing pure round and yellow seeds, and this is the plant which is producing recessive, means wrinkled green. So this is the plant producing wrinkled green seeds, and this is the plant producing round yellow seeds, right? So here, what about the alleles? So this is pure, means capital R, capital Y, small r, small y. Okay? So round yellow, wrinkled green. Mendel cross-pollinated these two plants. On cross-pollination, he obtained a generation which is the F1 generation. So it is capital R, capital Y, small y. So the F1 generation is completely round yellow. Okay, right. Now we will go for the next F2 generation. How is the F2 generation, right? So the F2 generation is, for this we have to mention the gametes here. So these are the male gametes and here are the female gametes. For this we have to draw checker board, right? So here is the capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, small y, small r, capital Y. Same here also, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, small y, small r, capital Y, right? So what about the F2 generation, right? Here capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Next, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small y, capital R, small r, small y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, small y, small y, small r, small y, small y, small r, capital Y, small y. Next, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, small r, capital Y, small y, small r, capital Y, right? See here, what about the color and shape here? So this is round yellow, this is round yellow. Why? Because this is dominant. Here round yellow, round, so both are small y's, green, round yellow. Next round yellow, round green. Next wrinkled green, wrinkled yellow, round yellow, wrinkled yellow, right? See here, how many round yellow are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so round yellow, right? Here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is not yellow, this is green. So 7, 8, 9. Okay. So round yellow or 9 are there. Okay. Round yellow or 9. So round yellow, round yellow. Okay. Next. What is the next one is round green. 1, 2. Next round green. 1, 2, this one. 1, 2, 3. So round green is 3. Round green is 3. Right. Next round. So round green is completed. Next one, wrinkled yellow is only 1. Wrinkled yellow is only 1. Next, wrinkled round yellow came, round green came, wrinkled yellow came, wrinkled green. Wrinkled green. So wrinkled green is only 1. Already we wrote here, wrinkled green is only 1. So here we have to write wrinkled yellow. So how many are there wrinkled yellow? 1, next 2 and 3. So 3. So the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross, here we are taken 2 characters. One is the color and the one is the shape. So the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross is 9:3:3:1. Okay. Actually we have only 2 types of characters. One is the round yellow, another one is the wrinkled green. But extra we get 2 more traits. One is the round green, another one is the wrinkled yellow. So it's mean what? If a seed is round, it does not mean definitely its color is going to be dominant yellow. It may be also recessive green. Or if a seed is yellow, it also may be wrinkled, even though the dominant color is there, but because of the pairing of alleles, it may be, regarding shape, it may be wrinkled. So for a character to express or for a trait to express, one allele is independent over another allele. One allele is independent over another allele. This is called law of independent assortment. So total 3 laws are there. Mendel's laws. So what are the 3 laws? One is the one allele is dominant over another allele. This is called law of dominance, right? Next, the separation of alleles during gamete formation. Law of segregation. Next, third one, for a trait to express one allele is independent. One allele is independent over another allele. This is called law of independent assortment. Next, so what are heritable traits? Heritable traits means the traits that are passed from one generation to another generation. Such traits are called heritable traits. Okay, the traits passed from one generation to another generation are called heritable traits. And what is heredity? Passing of from parent to progeny or offsprings is called heredity. Passing of characters from parent to offsprings or progeny is called heredity, whereas passing of characters from one generation to another generation, from one generation to another is called inheritance. Okay, so this is parent to progeny. Next, how do traits get expressed? Traits means whatever we discussed, two concepts are always for a character, those are called traits. How do traits get expressed? How means, so far what we discussed, for a trait or for a character there will be two traits. Okay, for a trait to express, who are responsible for a trait to express? Those are called factors. These factors are always pair, and these factors only also called as alleles. These alleles or factors are also called genes. So what is gene? Gene is a segment of nucleic acid. What is nucleic acid? Nucleic acid means DNA and RNA are called nucleic acid, which is responsible for the passing of inheritance from one generation to another generation. So this deoxyribose nucleic acid DNA is present in animals including human beings and bacteria also, whereas ribose nucleic acid is present in plants and viruses. It is the controlling factor in plants and viruses, whereas DNA is in animals including human beings. Next, who discovered the double helical structure of DNA? The double helical structure of DNA means the DNA structure is like a double helix. This was discovered by four scientists. One is the Thomas Watson, Francis Crick, and Morris Wilkins, Rosalind Franklin. These are the four scientists who discovered that DNA is a double helical structure, and they also awarded Nobel Prize in 1962 for their outstanding contribution, and she died till receiving Nobel Prize. This woman died and these three members received the Nobel Prize, and they said that the double helical structure of DNA consists of nitrogen base pairs. Four nitrogen base pairs are present or bases are present, and between these nitrogen bases what is present is phosphate bonds are present. What are present between these nitrogen bases? Phosphate bonds. And what are the four nitrogen bases? One is the adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These are the four nitrogen bases. Of these, the adenine and guanine are called purines, whereas thymine and cytosine are called pyrimidines. And one more important is here, adenine double bond with thymine like this, and guanine triple bond with cytosine. Again, thymine double bond with adenine, cytosine triple bond with guanine. Okay, according to these scientists, they said that small change in DNA, if any change occurs in DNA, that leads to variations. Small change in DNA leads to variations. Okay, next topic. Sex determination in human beings. Sex determination in human beings, right? See, either in males or in females, how many pairs of chromosomes are there? Is 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay, 23 pairs means 46. Of these 23 pairs in both male and female, first 22 pairs which are structurally similar, these first 22 pairs are called autosomes. Autosomes, and they are also called vegetative chromosomes or somatic chromosomes. Okay, and the 23rd pair, whatever the one pair, single pair is there, 23rd pair, they are called allosomes. Allosomes or sex chromosomes or reproductive chromosomes. Here, how the inheritance is passed is because of the 23rd pair. Okay, how means? So how many are there in male? 46 chromosomes. They are present like this: 22 plus X, 22 plus Y. In female also 22 plus X, 22 plus X. What is the difference is, in males the 23rd pair allosome whatever is there, X chromosome, and another one is the Y chromosome. Whereas the ovum contains X chromosome and X chromosome. Here if the sperm containing X chromosome fuses with the ovum, then what will be the condition? 44 plus XX. As a result, the baby formed is baby girl. Okay, if the chromosome carrying, if the sperm carrying chromosome Y, if the sperm carrying Y chromosome and it fuses with ovum, then the condition is 44 plus XY. Then the resultant baby will be boy, baby boy. So here whatever the chances of determining sex is determined by the male. That is why sex of a baby is determined by father. Okay, sex of a baby is determined by father. So these chromosomes are like this. The 23rd pair chromosomes are like this. We will draw here. They are like this. This is the X chromosome, this is the Y chromosome. So this is the X chromosome, this is the X chromosome. So Y chromosome is short. Okay, so as a result, so the chromosome which contains as X on sperm, it is called gymnosperm. Gymnosperm. The sperm that is carrying X chromosome is called gymnosperm, which is carrying Y chromosome is called androsperm. Clear? Why? Because here the ovum definitely contain X chromosome only. So if the sperm carrying X chromosome, it will be baby girl. If the sperm contacting with ovum contains Y chromosome, baby girl will be formed. Okay, so this is about sex determination in human beings. Next, two scientists, one is the Thomas Hunt Morgan and Walter Seton. Thomas Hunt Morgan and Walter Seton discovered sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila. They discovered sex-linked inheritance. So what does it mean? Means they discovered sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila melanogaster. It is a fruit fly. How the inheritance is passed to next generation? It is because of through the sex chromosomes. How the inheritance is passed means through the sex chromosomes. That is was what discovered by Thomas Hunt Morgan and Walter Septon in 1956. Okay, right. We will discuss about another topic in the next class.